Now, there comes the program that is there. How do we access that program? We should be sitting as districts to say how many smart schools each district has, how many teacher development centers each district has, then how our teachers can access those centers.
Yes, read with meaning, isn't it? So that's the statement that keeps on haunting us. But the question is, what is it that we are doing wrong? What is it? Where can we improve? So research findings like this then come in to assist us.
Through other organizations as well, but it can be a long drawn out process. I don't know if it was mentioned yet, but there are also plans that the learning management system would change. So in the course of the latter part of this year, all the courses are going to migrate to a Moodle platform. And what is nice about a Moodle platform is, well, basically two things. First of all, it would be very closely aligned with what the National Institute for Curriculum and Professional Development is building.
Different countries have identified them as a critical resource in the system that can support the improvement of education, quality education and teacher professional development. So there's quite a bit of focus on there. So the model, the early grade reading instruction model, really looked at the system because we're looking at a cost-effective, scalable model.
Of course, that comes with different things, both front end and back end reporting and all of that. So that is in the pipeline. There will definitely be support around that as well.
Maya Janki Hana, right, I think. And then there was okay, you spoke about the provision of the data. I'm sorry, because I'm a district out, KC happens to be one of them. Utsugela, right? And Umhlanga Kude.